Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to unbox my brand new wireless charger. I did just get a wireless charger not that long ago, but this one's even newer. So I am excited. I'm gonna open this up with you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and check this out. So let's do it. If you haven't already had a chance, hit that subscribe button. These are my subscribers here. You are going to help me make that number go up, and I'm going to love you guys forever. And boom, we're rolling. This is a new Slicecharge 3 watch edition. So basically with that, it just has an extra puck on the side so that I can charge my Apple Watch. But it also has a couple of other charging coils there, so I can charge two devices there wirelessly at the same time. I did have the generation that was out before this one, and I really liked that one a lot. It had a bunch of different coils, and they were just overlapping each other, so basically it just had a wide area where I could just throw the charger on there, or I could just throw my phone on there, and it would just charge pretty much anywhere I put it on there. Which is great, because at night it's dark, and I can't really see exactly where I'm putting it, so just throwing it anywhere there was freaking great, because it's dark and it's hard to see. It does come in a few different colors. It comes in a navy and gold, which is what I have here because I like anything that's navy and gold. It also does come in a space gray, and also comes in a silver and white too. So you have all those options where you can go ahead and buy that online now. None of the options I found included a stand, so I don't know if they just haven't made the stand yet or if it's that sold out, but you can still buy pretty much any of these colors now. Doesn't really say a lot on the sides of the box or anything, which is fine. I mean, it's a wireless charger. What else are you gonna do with it? But it does charge a lot of things all at once. So it has two coils, so I can charge two things wirelessly. In addition to my Apple Watch, it also has a USB-A and a USB-C port too, so that I can plug in other devices for a grand total of 5 things all at once. User manual in case you don't know how to put things down. But here goes the charger itself. Here you have the USB-C, you have the USB-A, and then this is where you're actually going to plug in the device itself. And then here you have the big old adapter. This thing looks huge too. And it does include a bunch of other adapters too. But yeah, there goes that. So basically everything that comes inside the box is going to be the Slicecharger itself. It does have the charging puck there for your Apple Watch. It does come with the AC adapter, and then you also have the 4 plugs too, so that you can use this whenever you're traveling and taking it elsewhere. But here you have both of them side by side, so you can see a quick comparison. You have the second generation right here, and then this is the new Slicecharge 3. So let me know in the comments below which one you guys plan on picking up if you haven't already gotten one. You can see here I got the ones in navy blue, but there are a couple different color options there, so hit me up in the comments below. Hope you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.
That you and I are